I get this question all the time. Devin, how do you split a faceless YouTube workflow into pre-production, production, and post without creating bottlenecks? Here's the operator answer. Each stage should own one type of decision, create one main asset, and have one clear handoff. Pre-production is for thinking. That means topic selection, angle, title direction, thumbnail concept, and script or outline. The output is one approved brief. If the story is still changing, you are not ready for production. Production is for asset creation. That's voiceover, visuals, screen recordings, B-roll polls, graphics, and the first assembly. The output is a complete raw episode package. No rewriting the hook in the timeline. That's how teams get stuck. Post is for performance polish. Editing for pacing, retention cuts, captions, sound mix, final thumbnail, metadata, upload, and QA. The output is a publish-ready video. Here's the decision rule. If a task changes the idea, it belongs in pre-production. If it creates ingredients, it belongs in production. If it improves pacing or packaging, it belongs in post. To avoid bottlenecks, do 4 things. 1 owner per stage, a handoff checklist between stages, a hard approval before moving forward, and a work in progress limit of 2 videos max per person. If you want that handoff logic organized in one workflow layer, that's where Satura helps. That's the cleanest way to build faceless YouTube workflow stages without constant rework.